Today's video feature is, can you change the locks when your spouse moves out of the marital home during separation? Now, we get this question a lot, and there's usually a couple of scenarios where this comes up. Either somebody moves out in the middle of the night, or they may move out as part of a planned date, but they keep the keys, they keep the alarm codes, and they keep the garage door opener. And the person who's left in the marital house says, I just feel uneasy, I feel anxious, and I don't want them coming and going as they please. Now, you certainly have the option of changing locks, but it's not a good idea to do so for several reasons. And I do have a simple solution to address those anxiety concerns in just a moment. It is still a marital home, so each of you have the right to access. We just want each person to have peaceable access. We don't want somebody coming in the middle of the night and moving things around. We don't want them coming in during the day when you're at work and basically looting the house. So these are some things that we can take care of. If the other side has a lawyer, we'll ask them to coordinate with you or prepare a list of items that they would like to have from the house, and then we'll collect those and then deliver them to them. But for those folks who are sleeping uneasy, I understand that. You don't want somebody coming in during the night, scaring you, possibly thinking it was a burglar. So one of the things I tell folks is this: don't change the locks, because you literally cannot break into your own home, although we'll talk about that in just a moment as well. But during the evening, during the night, when you go off to bed, you want to make sure that nobody can get into your home without at least you knowing about it. So the very simple solution there is to go to Home Depot or Lowe's, your choice, and buy one of these. This is just a rubber door stop. This is a relatively small one. They make bigger ones, but I would buy door stops for every entrance in the home. It will not prevent them from coming in, and certainly if police or fire needs to come in, then they can get past this very simple door stop. However, it will prevent somebody from coming in too easily, so you're not going to wake up and have your former spouse standing over you in your bedroom. You need to put those door stops, again, at every entrance, the front door, the back door, the garage door. You might even want to put one on your bedroom door, just again, so that if somebody's in the house, they can't get in easily without you knowing it. Okay, so that's a very simple solution. Now, the reason you don't want to change the locks is somebody has the option of either going through this peaceably, or some folks I've seen kick in a door. If you kick in a door to your own home, you technically cannot break into your own home. However, if you do that, there are some potential serious criminal consequences. Certainly, the noise is going to alert your neighbors, which will alert the police. Kicking in a door of a home during the day or night is certainly going to attract law enforcement attention. They're going to treat it initially as a break-in or burglary. You'll have to explain that this is your marital home. You'll have to show that it is yours, maybe through a driver's license address. But this is just the kind of interaction with law enforcement you really want to avoid. It's also very dangerous, because anytime police or sheriff's deputies respond to a burglary or domestic violence situation, they come en masse and they are on high alert for violence. So you definitely don't want to have that kind of interaction. Also, if you kick in a door and your spouse and or children are behind the door or in the house, then you probably will be arrested for criminal domestic violence of some degree. So again, just not a good idea. Family court judges don't want to have that kind of violence. They don't want to have that kind of interaction. So if somebody changes the locks on the marital home, then go through your lawyers. Do not try to get in on your own. That is just not a very good move. So again, these are the concerns that have been raised. There are some simple solutions to it. So I hope this video helps. If you do have additional questions, then please give me a call. My name is Robert Reeves. My mobile phone number is 704-351-7979, or you can email me, robert@rjrlaw.com. Hope it helps.